What's up guys, welcome back to Impact Fishing. We're going down to the local creek today to see if we can catch a few fish, so we'll let you know if we catch a few. Fish on. Ready? Is your lure still on the tree? Fish on. Shit, this has got some weight in it. Yeah, right. I'm gonna unclip my net now. Yeah. I got it. So. This fish is a fair size. Yeah, it is a little bit loose. Now it's tight. He's a good size. I seen him.
Yeah, not bad.
Holy.
Yeah, same size as the one that we got now.
Oh.
Fuck, I bet you just went flat.
Yep. Oh, he might be a bit bigger. He's fat at least. Yeah, I reckon he's a bit bigger, Brody.
Nah. Can't be. It's illegal.
Oh, careful. Oh my god, careful.
Oh, give me that net. Give me, I was like,
Quick,
this is a two-net process.
Quick. He's not in. Quick.
It's a two-net process.
Oh my, that was lucky. Wait, that might be my new PB. Absolutely monster. Oh, yeah, I'm on. Oh, he spat it. Yep, I'm on. Oh, that's two I've lost now. Hooked up here.
Oh,
That's still ready.
what was it, just in front of you?
Yeah.
Dispatch.
Pull him up, skull dragging. Oh, if he wants to stay still. Oh, there he goes, he's off. Good little ready. Oh, I hit. Oh, yep, I'm on. That's a trout. That's a trout. Yeah, it is. Nice. Same spot as the ready.
Yeah, I caught that big trout where that ready was.
Oh, yeah, true. Oh, he's shaking a bit. Doesn't want to come in.
Oh, he's ready then.
Oh, Jesus. Little feisty guy. Probably don't want to grab your line, Barry. If he gets off, he'll be fine. He doesn't want to come in, eh? Try on.
Oh, my leg, bro.
Yeah, it's right into the net.
Sorry, mate. You good?
You good?
Yep.
Yeah, you're good? Okay. I'm gonna go catch this. You want photo or no?
Hey?
You want photo?
Yeah, I need something. Never mind.
He said no photo.
Yeah, we're on here. He's alright, ready? We love that. Hey? Come on. Yeah. It's coming towards you. Is that a redfin? No, it's a trout.
Yeah, it's like that same size line like
Get ready. Oh, there he goes.